Yeah, so 2.8. Okay. Right, okay, so 2.8, you can see is try to help you, or you need to acquire skills of how to calculate percentages. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be going through. So this here means chapter 2, and this is test number 8. Okay, also those who are writing projects or dissertations, you will see how actually we label some of the sections of your dissertations or projects. For those who are writing essays, you do not need this, but because in essay they are not indicated as reports, but in dissertations, yes, you can actually write this section. So this is chapter 2 and test number 8. Okay, so the title is percentages. So it says the recap questions below will help to consolidate your learning about percentages. Okay, and you can double check the answers at the end of the book. Okay, so that's fine. So you need to have that book in order to check these answers. Okay, let's look at question number 1. All right, so number 1 saying a local community hospital has 45 patients. Okay, there are 36 females and 9 males. What percentage of patients are females? Okay, so we need to double check, make sure it's correct. So we need females. This is the formula to work out the percentage. So that's the number of females, okay, divided by total, and then you multiply by 100. Okay, so what you get there is going to be, you're going to put over 1, it doesn't matter, but it doesn't change anything. 1 into 100 is 100. So let's check the total. So the total is 36 plus 9. That should give you 45. So it should be equal to this number. Okay, they are asking for females. So for females are 36. And the total, you could put it 36 plus 9, but they have already given you that number. That's 45. And then you are multiplying that by 100. You could put over 1, that's fine. Now, there are 2 ways of doing this. You can multiply this by, this is called numerator at the top. So this numerator can multiply with this numerator. And this is called denominator. So this denominator can multiply with this denominator. However, you can, as it is, you can try to find what number can divide in there, in here without a remainder, or in here and in there without a remainder. So you can see 9 can go in there, 9 can go in here. So 9 into 36 is going to be 4. So I've cancelled to make sure I have divided into that. Then 9 into 45 is going to be 5. Yeah, so 9 times 5 is 45. And then I can see that the 5 can go in here, can also go in there without a remainder. So 5 in here is 1, and the 5 in 10 is 2. 5 in 0 is 0. Okay, so what I have now, I multiply the top, so it's going to be 4 times 20 divided by 1 times 1. So this here is going to be 20 times 4 is 8. And 8 divided by 1, because 1 times 1 is 8. So this is 80%. Okay, so that's how we get this percentage of females. All right. Okay, let's go to question number 2.